An exhaust gas recirculation valve is an essential component in modern automotive engines that helps in reducing harmful nitrogen oxide emissions. The EGR valve works by rerouting a portion of the exhaust gases back into the engine's combustion chamber, where it mixes with the incoming air and the fuel mixture. This process helps in lowering the combustion temperature, which in turn reduces the production of nitrogen oxides. The EGR valve is controlled by the engine control unit, which monitors various engine parameters such as throttle position, engine speed, and load, and then adjusts the amount of exhaust gas being recirculated accordingly. The valve is opened and closed by a solenoid, which receives signals from the ECU. The EGR valve consists of a valve mechanism and a vacuum diaphragm, which work together to regulate the flow of exhaust gases. When the solenoid receives a signal from the ECU, it activates the vacuum diaphragm, which opens the valve, allowing exhaust gas to enter the intake manifold. When the solenoid receives another signal from the ECU, it deactivates the vacuum diaphragm and the valve closes, preventing exhaust gas from entering the intake manifold.